Before we start the video, I want to say sorry for not posting for a bit. It's been a little crazy, so hopefully this makes up for it, and subscribe for more cubing content. Let's get on with today's video. Here's the first one, and it's a pretty easy one. So I do B2, R2, U, L2, and then D2 to align it. Then I do these two, and then I would do probably these two next. So just like that. Then I would do these two, and then my last pair. Then OLL, and then PLL. Pretty easy one. So this is the next one, and so I would do L, U, so L, U, L, F, or F prime, and then D prime to align it. Then these two, insert, then I would do these two, and then I would do these two, and then these two, and then OLL, and PLL. So yeah, this is the next one, and it's pretty easy cross. So I would do U, L, F prime, B, D prime, F2, D prime, and that completes my cross. Then I'd rotate to do these two, and then insert them like that. Then I would do these two, and then these two, and then this would be a free pair, and then OLO, and then PLO. Pretty easy. So this is the next one, and it's an okay cross. So I would flip like that, and then do an M2, then I would do this, finish off the cross, then I'd rotate and do these two, just like that, and then this is a free pair, and then I would do these two, and then free pair right here, and then I would do this OLO from the back, and then end perm. Pretty easy. This is the next one, and as you can see, we already have these two done, and this is aligned, so that's pretty good. So I would do U, R, L, D2, F prime, D2, and then I would do these two as my first pair, and then these two because it's a 3-mover, and then I would do these two, turn them like that, and then these two, and then we go OLO and PLO. Alright, so I would do U2, F2 to start it off, and then I would do rotate, and then I would do these two, and then G2, then these two, and then these two, and then these two next, and then finally these two. And I'll have a yellow cross already done. And then U-perm, just like that. Alright, so pretty easy cross. I would do these two, but I would align blue, and then do these, and then these two. Then I would do these two right here, and then these two, and probably these two next, and then this one, and then OLO and PLO, which is a Y perm. Pretty nice off. So this is the next one, and you could really choose. I'll do this. So I do F prime, R prime, and then D prime, L, R to finish off the cross. Then I would do these two, and then these two next, and then I would do blue and red as my next one, and then this is still kind of preserved, and then OLO and T perm. This is the next one, and it's a pretty easy white cross. So I would do these two, and then finish off the cross like that. Then I would do these two, then these two, and turn them to the back, and then I would do these two, and then these two finally rotate, and then Olo, I'll do this one from the back, so it'll look like this, and then I would cancel in, and then J-prim. Right, this is the last solve, and it's pretty easy. So I would do it like this. I would do these two, the green and blue, and then do these two. So I do it like this, insert it, and then that, and then I would do blue because it got like taken out, and then I would do the blue and red, then the blue and orange, then green and orange, and then these two. Oh, my bad. Alright, and then Olo. I don't even know if that's correct, but... And then this is like my least favorite. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Alright, that will complete the video, and if you want to learn how to do this, you can go and watch my beginner tutorial. So yeah, subscribe.